This video demonstrates how to receive an owing script in Minfos. There are a few ways you may be prompted to receive an owing script. The process depends on how the dispenser initiates it. Scenario 1. Scanning a token that matches a recorded owing. In the first scenario, the dispenser scans a token for a patient, and the drug on that token matches an existing owing for them. When this happens, the owing script prompt for that drug is automatically displayed. Click Yes to mark off the owing with this eScript. The owing script details window opens. This window shows a comparison between the downloaded script, the owing script, and provides a preview so you can review any differences. If the drug details match, the Confirm Matching Scripts checkbox will be checked automatically. Click OK or press Enter to populate the dispense form. Review the dispense supply against the eScript details and make any changes if required, and then follow your usual dispensing processes. Scenario 2. Selecting a customer on the dispense form or scanning a token that does not match. In this scenario, the dispenser either selects a patient on the dispense form who has an owing script recorded or scans a token where a drug does not match a recorded owing. In both cases, the owing script prompt is displayed. Click Yes to open the owing script inquiry window. From here, highlight the required script and click Received Script. This opens the Script Owing Details window. If a token was recorded when the owing was originally created, the barcode field will be already pre-populated with that information. If not, in the barcode field you can scan the patient's token, manually type or paste the barcode. You can also click the Select from ASL button to choose the script from the active script list. If you've entered a barcode, the script date and doctor fields can be ignored. They are not required. However, if you are marking off the owings using a paper script with multiple items, or the paper script doesn't have a PDS barcode, enter the correct script date and doctor details and click on OK. The dispense form will populate with the details entered when the owing was processed. Check against the paper script and follow your usual process. In this case, we are using an eScript, so I will click OK to proceed. The owing script details window now displays a comparison between the downloaded script and the owing script. If the drug details do not match, the Confirm Matching Scripts checkbox will be unchecked. Use the radio buttons to select the correct information for each field. A preview of how the final script will display on the dispense form. Once you're satisfied with the information, check the Confirm Matching Scripts checkbox and click OK. The dispense form will be populated with the selected information. Review the dispense supply against the eScript details and make any changes required. Always ensure you are receiving the correct script for the item that was supplied as the owing, and then follow your usual dispensing processes.